Right, so just a footnote for fitting of the Remus exhaust system. So I mentioned earlier about the servo body. When you remove the servo unit from the exhaust, you can put in this bit of electronic wizardry that folds the ECU that the servo's there. So you can buy, there's one called Speedicom, and you can find them on the eBay, delivered for £45. When I was researching, I found the website and I was trying to load up and pay for it online, and when I went through the basket it went to £38, and then I couldn't get onto the shipping part. The website was freezing up. So I rang him up the next morning and told him about the problem. And he says, oh, sort of, so he took my card details, and the unit came within a couple of days. But then when I looked on my credit card statement, he charged me just short of £49. So I emailed them and said, would they refund the difference? And they said no, they will just give me a credit, which I think's a little bit offside personally. This is a Yorkshireman you're talking here. So and then I did a little bit more research, and there's another company on eBay, ESE, and they will do it £40 delivered. So it's just something for you to be aware of if you're going to go down this route. I know it's not a lot of money, but for me it's the principle. And I must say I've had another run out on it today, and it's really nice. It does growl quite a bit when you give it some. So I'll have to be a bit careful with neighbours on the morning if I go out early. But when you're puddling along, it's nice and quiet, but it soon lets you know it's there. I think it is a little bit smoother more so at the bottom end. When you're going through town and what have you, it might just be me. It might just be in my mind, but it does feel a little bit smoother. It does seem to pick up a little bit quicker, even in road mode compared to dynamic. So I'd like to do a shout out to Alan Jeffries for picking the bike up and sorting me stud out, and they put the headers on for me. Not that it was a big problem for me to do, but while they had the bike and it was on the up, they put it on for me. So big shout out for them. It was a bit of pill to pay, but it's just one of them things. It sheared off and my arse fell out. I didn't fancy drilling it out myself, and when I rang round and went to other companies, I'd have had it would have been a similar price. There probably was somebody a bit local, but because of the COVID situation, they couldn't fit me in for a couple of weeks anyway. And it was the same difference going to Jeffers. And, they picked the bike up, sorted it out for me and dropped it off. So thumbs up to Jeffers for that. I've just rung Bimoto to tell them about that. I've put the full system on, and with Bimoto there's no charge for amending your policy, no admin charge, and the insurance company, there's no additional charge for putting a full system on, so that's good news as well. So be safe everybody and enjoy. Bye.